Welcome to Awesome Code. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel. In this video, we will learn about Selenium. Selenium is used to automate browsers, and we are going to integrate it with Python. We can go to Selenium website, and over there we can click on Downloads tab. And on download page, we can scroll down, and under Selenium client and WebDriver language bindings, we will select for Python. And click over here to download. And on this page, there is instruction how to download it for Python or install it for Python. We can use the command over here. Pip install -U Selenium. That's I'm going to type on terminal. I will use pip3 install -U and Selenium. Selenium and hit enter. Now I have Selenium installed on my system. And we need to scroll down on that Selenium page and look under the driver. I need this driver to interact with the browser. There are different drivers for different browsers. I will select for Chrome browser. There's a link to it. Just need to click on this one. Here are the releases for Chrome browser. You need to select one. I have version 8.0, so I will go for this one, Chrome driver 80.0. So it's just gonna click over here. And here on the download page, it gives you the option for different operating system. I'm running Ubuntu Linux, so I will use this version. There is version for Mac and Windows also. I'm just gonna click on this one to download. Now I will go to the folder where I have downloaded the Chrome driver. I need to extract the zip file. And it is over here. I will just right click and copy the path. I will use this path also in our Python script. I need to extract this file also. First I'm going to just copy the path. And then I'm going to extract this zip file. I will extract here. And there's a folder created for us. So I need to copy the path up to here. So I'm just gonna copy again, go inside this folder. And the path is up to over here. Chrome driver underscore Linux 64. I will add it to my code. I just created a file, Selenium demo.py. In this file, I'm going to write a simple Python script. I will use import time and from Selenium import web driver and now I will get a driver by calling web driver dot chrome, and here I need to give the path of our driver that we downloaded for Chrome and extracted, and that is Chrome driver, I think so, Linux 64. Just I'm going to make sure that path is correct. Now I can make a GET request and open a website with our driver dot get method, and we can pass in the URL. I will just open google.com and this https google.com address, and then I'm going to print the title of this page, driver dot title, and we are going to sleep for 10 seconds maybe, and then we need to quit the driver by calling quit. There's an equal sign missing over here. We are setting our driver and just need to save it. There's the R missing over here in our Chrome driver path. And I will also give execute permission to our Chrome driver, so I change the directory to the Chrome driver directory where I have extracted it. I'm just gonna chmod +x and Chrome driver. And hit enter. Now I'm going to clear the screen and run our script. I will move to my directory where my script is located, and over here I'm just gonna clear the screen and type Python 3 Chrome Selenium demo.py. That's my script name. here we need to add the path up to the driver name. So this is the directory where our driver is, and this is the name of our driver, Chrome driver. So I did that one too. And now we need to just run our script. To run our script, I will just type Python 3 selenium demo.py any editor. And now the Google is open by our Selenium, and over here we can see Chrome is being controlled by automated test software. And on our terminal we can see it grabbed the title of Google page. So this way we can install Selenium for Python. To keep on learning, please subscribe to my YouTube channel, Asim Code. Keep supporting me, and thank you for watching.